Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a set of Halloween nails. Whenever I'm doing nails on the training hand, I don't prep that much. I just remove the shine. So I've already done that and I've stuck on the tips and primed and everything, filed them down. Now I'm just going in with this black acrylic. Wanted to keep one of the nails black because I'm going to be doing a design over it. So just make sure you're really cleaning out your brush. Black acrylic is just messes up your brush. So just make sure that you're really cleaning your brush. And for the next nail here, I'm doing a bit of like a marble effect, I guess. So I'm doing like different shades of purple. Added a little bit of red. I didn't like the red too much, so I decided to cover it up. But as you can see, continuously wiping out your brush. Like to do smaller beads on when I'm doing this technique because it helps you with the placement and getting it right. So just make sure that you're patting it down. So I actually got inspiration for this nail off of Pinterest, but I actually added my own little changes to it to make it more of my own. So for the next nail, we are going in with, I added clear at the bottom just because when I'm using colors, I like to use a clear coat just so the colors don't stick on the actual nail. Now this would be if I'm doing it on a real person, of course. But yeah, it just helps also with refills when they come back for a refill. So for the next nail, I decided to just keep it, give it a little bit of a marble-ish effect. And then here we're just going back and I'm going to keep this nail predominantly purple. So just going in and doing that. Again, reminder, keep wiping your brush because once that acrylic gets stuck into your brush, it's a lot harder to work with. You won't be able to work with it until you clean it out. And if you're with a client, it takes that much longer. So once you're done that, you're going to go in and file the nail. So if you keep your acrylic application, minimal, like I said, smaller beads, it will cut down your filing time after. So just make sure you're filing underneath as well. I hate these stupid tips because they just keep flying off. You'll see it happen a couple times here. Then once you're done that, you just file it down. Make sure you're getting all different angles. Make sure you're looking at it from the client's point of view as well. Now here we're going to start with the nail art. So for this first nail, I'm doing the Scream Halloween face, I guess. It's my first time doing nail art, so I was just really getting a feel of the brush, and there were also new brushes that I've never used before. So I know it could have been better, but I had to work with what I had, right? So yeah, so that's the first one. Now for the second nail, sorry, but I was recording it a bit off camera. You can see it there. I did some trees on the side and I put a 3D moon charm. And then underneath, I also made it look kind of like galaxy-ish. So just to give it that three-dimensional look to it. So in the end, I would definitely recommend these Beetles gel liners that I was using. They're really easy to work with. It's a thinner consistency, which means you don't really need a lot. You can just kind of stretch it out. But yeah, I would definitely recommend them. They're really worth it. I actually got mine off of Amazon for about, I believe it was about 30 bucks. But yeah, this was the final look. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. I will be posting 3 times a week, so if you want to see more of my content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. See you soon.